Greetings, everyone. This is Rock and Roll Swat coming at you with the Weekly Comic Book Roundup. Continuing on with this week's DC haul, we've got Black Canary, Best of the Best, number 2. Where we left off, Black Canary, Dinah Laurel Lance, the second Black Canary, had agreed to a fight with a public fight with Lady Shiva to basically say, which one is the best. Also, it seems that she'd agreed with Vandal Savage to throw the fight. And the fight is going on, but and it does seem that it might not last all that long. So the issue opens with the announcers, commentating. And between rounds, Dinah and her coach, Ted Wildcat, discuss strategy, with Ted explaining that Shiva likes open space. She needs to stretch. So what Dinah's got to do is try and draw her into the corner, take the dance away from her. If she was going to chase Canary, fine. She's got technique, but Dinah's got stamina. And in the chase, Dinah's going to win. People think about think it's about will or finesse or all that. But a fight is won with conditioning. That's how you go all the way. Then we get we see some of the training that for the fight that his mother put her through. Swimming while heaving her head above water while also holding a cinder block. Then swimming, and then after that swimming. Swimming for a while. Various other things. Also, apparently, Dinah's mother took her phone. And it seems that the training that Dinah's mother is putting Dinah through is makes her feel like Ollie every few years, dead. To which also Dinah's mother may have misplaced Dinah's phone. That basically keep part of training is not letting her get distracted. So. But Dennis points out that that's kind of a bad thing because, well, the phone's kind of special because it's got all the Justice League protections, so yeah. But round 2 of the fight, Shiva basically pulls a Shiva takes a big hit from Canary, Shiva ends up returning the big hit. Um, then while Canary tries to counter, and does counter for a moment, but well, yeah. However, she was not, or Canary's not giving up, even after Shiva literally spits in her face. Then we get some flashbacks to Dinah's childhood, and apparently at one point when her mother got injured as Black Canary, and it was actually pretty severe, with Dinah's father being unable to stitch it up, but also Dinah trying on as a kid the Black Canary blonde wig. But with the fight, Dinah manages to crawl towards the ropes and pull herself up. And her mother tells her that there's one thing that Dinah's mother wants Dinah to do. And that's win. That is where the issue ends. I'm digging this book. I really am. I kind of hate the fact that it's just a mini series, so it's going to end fairly sooner rather than later. But still, good book. Moving on though to our next book, we've got Green Arrow number 19. Where we left off, there's been a series of high society murders in Star City. And kind of the people that Ollie would actually go after. The issue opens with a young girl collapsing, and the girl's mother crying for help. But Ollie's discussing the case with the detective working it, and also finding out why he was why Green Arrow was skulking around Horton Chemical. Ollie kind of plays it off by stating that a few years back there were a few accidents and oversights that somehow managed to avoid accountability, and the most recent victim helped to bury it. And Ollie ruminates, "You protect the world from interstellar monsters and goons in pajamas, but the real crooks are duly elected. How do you fight that?" The detective says not by killing, but, well, Ollie's kind of skeptical about that one. But it says that pin folks down long enough, they start to wonder if they even have a choice. And that what goes around comes around. Well, sometimes comes around. That sometimes, you know, someone with money and power dying is the universe's way of saying that you can't get away with causing misery for profit. But all Green Arrow and the detective, you know, look at the go to the next, let's see the next murder. And though one of the cops is not exactly open to all his involvement, seems that Green Arrow and him would probably get along pretty well. But apparently one of the techs at the Star City PD is a Green Arrow fan. But they check the surveillance footage, and it seems that the murderer is still in the house. And Green Arrow suggests that they check the live feeds. Also the exterior cameras, but it seems that the killer is tailing the detective, but Ollie rushes out. The detective's dog manages to however, seems to at least somewhat spook the assailant. Ollie manages to get a look, but and in fact hit the potential killer with basically a boxing glove arrow. And they're unmasked. It seems to be it seems that they've found the elusive freshwater killer. And it seems to it's likely just a person who's physically sick and, well, wanted to do something about the people that made them that way. And that is where the issue ends. Interesting. Good issue. There's definitely more to the story that overall, it's not basically. Firstly, coming from a point that is to be continued. So, but anyways, that's gonna do it for now. As always, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Links to my Facebook, Blue Sky, Instagram, Mastodon, Twitter, Patreon, and PayPal can be found in the description box down below. This is Rock and Roll Spock signing off, saying, live long and rock hard.